tail of my brow streaked all the way down to here. Greetings, Earthlings! I have been super neglectful when it comes to my Boxy Charm boxes. My Boxy Charm videos haven't always been fantastically reviewed, but I think Boxy Charm is a really great subscription box. And so today I'm going to unbox my Boxy Charm. I got Boxy Luxe last month and that would have been a cool video, but I was ill and I ended up giving a lot of the stuff away for Christmas, so it would have spoiled everything. But oh well. Oh my goodness. I will film my next Boxy Luxe. I think it'll be in April, March or April. I already saw a couple spoilers. Like, I think there's supposed to be a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette in here, which is pretty cool because this box is only $22. Alright, so yes, we do have Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. I don't have any of these. Do I even have any Tarte eyeshadow palettes? I feel like I do. I feel like I have to. Oh, that's pretty. The colors are very neutral, but they are all shimmery. That one might be matte. I don't know if I want to swatch. Yeah, let's swatch it. Okay. Do this one. This one's Rays, Malibu, Heat Wave. I just filmed a video. Okay, those are really pretty. This is really pretty. I like this. The packaging is peculiar, but it's really, I don't know, fancy looking, if that makes any sense. Now we have a lipstick from OFRA. I didn't think that this is what their packaging looked like. Right? Is that what OFRA looks like? I didn't think so because I got an OFRA lipstick in here before. This is Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick Miami Fever. I feel like that's the one by Kathleen Lights. I'm cool with that. I like her. I didn't know they looked like this. Oh, that's a nice color. That reminds me of the Too Faced gingerbread ones. Those ones smell like gingerbread. This one kind of smells like sunscreen. That's a pretty color. I like that. Yeah, I really didn't think that's what the packaging looked like. Alright, Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Ooh, a leave-in spray. Maybe I'll try this today. I'm going to wash my hair. I do that like twice a week. Nizois. There's only two more things in here. We have by BDBO, Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Ooh, it'd be cool if I liked this because I'm almost out of my brow pencil. It's smooth. I feel like that color could go with anything. So I will keep that out and I will put it in my caboodle to use. And the last thing, whoa, there's two? Oh my goodness. My hair is stuck to the sticker. We have two Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. Maybe I'll use these tonight. Ooh, let me get the insert out and we can read how much all of this stuff is worth. And I spent $22. Boxy and Chill is the theme. Let's see. The Briogeo milk is $12. This looks like probably like a travel size. The OFRA lipstick is $20. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette is $36. The brow pencil by Billion Dollar Brows is $18. And the Tatcha Luminous Dewy face masks are $24. Ooh, and you get a coupon for Tatcha. I swear usually these things come with 6 products, not 5. I could be wrong. I don't know. I don't know. So let's add that together. 12 plus 20 equals 34 plus 36 equals 70 plus 24 equals 94 plus 18 equals 106. I feel like that's kind of low. Usually they're worth more than that. $106. I've been out of school for too long. Alright guys, it is a week later and I am back with some updates on the January 2019 Boxy Charm. First of all, this lipstick, the OFRA lipstick in Miami Fever, the collaboration with Kathleen Lights, I'm wearing it right now and I really like it. It's not the most comfortable lipstick, but I think the color is really pretty and I love Kathleen Lights. I am currently wearing the Das Expensive XXV nail polish from KL Polish. Anyway, continuing on, I love this lipstick. It's really pretty. And the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette volume 3. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. This is actually the first time that I've tried it out. I don't know how much I like it, only because there's really not a lot of variation to it. There's only one matte shade and it's not even super matte. Like, I think it's satin. The colors are pretty, but there's just not a lot to work with. I find it kind of boring. Apparently there were 3 different ones that went out in the boxes and this one was the least popular, but I think, I don't know. Okay, so on to the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. It's way too creamy for my preference. I've used this a few times this week. I'm wearing it right now. It's not the worst brow pencil I've ever used, but the other day, luckily it wasn't until closer to the end of the day, I went like this or something with my hand and the tail of my brow streaked all the way down to here. It was just a straight line. Like, that's all it took. It went whoosh. And I was like, oh my goodness, that is horrible. Yeah, it's just really thick and creamy. I'll continue to use it just because I go through brow pencils really quickly, but I don't think I would ever pay full price for this brow pencil. Now on to the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. It came with 2. I used one and I really liked it. It felt really nice on the skin. I don't know what else to say other than that I really liked it. I broke out, but I don't think it had anything to do with this. I think it was just PMS, but it was nice. It felt luxurious. And then the last thing, the Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I've used this both times since I opened the box, both times that I washed my hair, and I don't know any real difference. I don't usually use anything in my hair, any products. I don't know, I used it last night and then I blow dried and straightened my hair later on. I don't know any difference. It's soft, but my hair is usually always soft, so I don't know. But Kathleen Light swears by it. She just put it in the box and I'll continue to use it because my hair always needs some extra conditioning. Well, there you have it. Oh, excuse me. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you later. Bye.